Good morning, Texans. Today is Friday, May 8th, 2020, and it's actually past time for our morning announcements. We tried the first round and had some technical difficulties, so we're going to try this again. Posting a little late this morning. But let's go ahead and start with our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And out of the great state of Texas, honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Now we'll observe our moment of silent reflection. Yearbook distribution is happening on May 20th. We will get more information out to you. I know that Ms. Padalecki and the yearbook staff have been pushing some information out via Twitter. We'll get it out through our school social channels as well. And I'll also have some information for you in my Sunday announcement. So just keep your eyes peeled for all of that good information. But yearbook distribution, May 20th, mark your calendars. Scholarship offers, get those to your counselors or to Miss Charlene Jackson. That deadline is quickly approaching, so please get that done. And then graduation honor cords are available for purchase online through May 19th. And just a quick preview on that, we're looking at distributing the purchased graduation honor cords on May 20th, the same day that we do the yearbook distribution. So it is very important that you get those purchased by May 19th. We won't have any opportunities to do that afterward. And just keep your eyes open for pickup and return of items information. Fine Arts is doing some returns. Athletics is doing some returns next week. Just kind of keep your eyes out on that. And if you have any questions, let your director, your teacher, whoever it is that you need to pick up an item from, let them know and let them work with Mr. McCowan to get that arranged for you. Those are all of the announcements I have for you today. Texans, I love you. I miss you. I look forward to seeing you again soon. I hope you make it a great Friday and a wonderful weekend.